Ready to learn all about the energy around us? Let's go! Welcome to our exciting exploration of the incredible world of energy. Today we're diving into the fascinating topics of heat, light, wind, and sound. Have you ever wondered how these amazing forms of energy are all around us every single day? Well, get ready to be amazed as we unravel these everyday wonders. First up, heat. Imagine standing outside on a sunny day. The warm sensation you feel on your skin? That's heat energy. The sun, our very own star, is a powerful source of heat. It sends waves of energy to Earth, keeping our planet warm and full of life. We can also create heat ourselves, like when we rub our hands together really fast. Friction makes them warm up. Pretty cool, right? Next, let's discover light energy. Look around you, and you'll see light from lamps, flashlights, and of course, the sun. Light helps us see the beauty of the world. It travels super fast, in straight lines, and can even bounce around. Have you ever played with a mirror and sunlight? That's reflection, where light changes direction. And there's also refraction, when light bends, like when it passes through water. Okay, moving right along, let's tune into sound energy. Sound is all around us. People talking, birds singing, bees buzzing, music, and so much more. Sound travels in waves, and these waves move through the air, reaching our ears. Vibrations create sound waves, and when something moves back and forth really fast, you hear a higher pitch. Think of a guitar string vibrating. When you pluck it, it produces sound, and it's not just in music. Our voices work the same way, with vocal cords vibrating to create speech. Have you ever felt the wind blow your hair or move the leaves on a tree? That's wind. Wind is moving air, and guess what? We can use it to make energy. Wind energy is power we get from the wind. We can turn that moving air into electricity to light up homes, schools, and even toys. To catch the wind, we use big machines called wind turbines. They have long blades, kind of like airplane propellers. When the wind blows, the blades spin around and around. Inside the turbine, there's a special machine called a generator that turns the spinning motion into electricity. So cool. Wind energy is amazing because it's clean and never runs out. That means it doesn't make smoke or pollution like some other energy sources. It helps keep our planet healthy and happy. The more we use wind energy, the better it is for everyone, even the birds and trees. Now that we've explored heat, light, wind, and sound, can you spot them around you? Each form of energy is unique yet connected, playing a huge role in our daily lives. So next time you feel the warmth of the sun, flick on a light switch, or listen to your favorite song, remember, energy is everywhere, making our world an amazing place to explore. Thanks for joining us on this energetic adventure. Keep asking questions and discovering the wonders of energy all around you. See you next time.